What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your hidden files from a terminal that you can't see when you're in your Finder. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go to Finder and go to the home directory. This is all you can see, you can't see any other files. But when I go to terminal, let's put this side to side, take advantage of the feature. Okay, ls. If I just do cd so I know where I'm at, that's what we're at the moment, that's what we can see at the moment. But if I do ls -a, I can see all the hidden files that you can't see on your terminal, in your Finder window. But now I have access to all bash profile, Dropbox, cache, whatever you can see on here I have access. SSH, Scala, Wireshark. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video. Thanks for now.